Hello Python developers, let's create this type of QR code by using our Python program. So we will create this type of QR code and this one also. So we will use two programs to generate these two types of QR code. Now create a file inside this QR code generator.py. This is our file and import QR code. Now enter your data that you want to convert into QR code. So data you want to convert into QR code. And let's take data is equal to www dot https क्योंकि हमारा http रिक्वेस्ट जाता है s:/www dot and binary brand 0100.com. So this is our data that we want to convert. Now create QR code. QR equal to QR code dot QR code. Go inside this and let's take version 1 comma and box size is equal to much 10 and border 5. Now add data qr dot add data your data qr dot make fit equal to true. Now generate image img equal to qr dot make image fill color equal to black comma back color equal to white. So image will be generated through them. Now save qr code img dot save qr code image dot png. Then we can write print qr generated successfully through this program. So let's run this and there is an so what is this so line 2 qr generated successfully. So this is our qr code generated by this program.